So give me a thumbs up if you all are ready to kick off our day 2 for our Summer Pro Cheer workshop. Let me see. Are you all ready?
The 2 weekends have literally gone by so fast. I hope you all are enjoying it as much as I am. It has been absolutely amazing being able to invite on choreographers from across the United States.
And congratulations on you guys all being here today. Really important that you guys continue to keep your dance training up so you guys are steps ahead of people who are just kind of sitting around twiddling their thumbs, waiting on what to do.
Yes, we need to know you can dance. Yes, we need to know you got a look. Yes, we need to know that, you're fun to work with. But can you keep up with the schedule?
Who you are as not only what you do outside of dance, but also how you are in interacting with people, how you are in audition. We're not looking necessarily for the most die-hard competitive dancer out there. We're looking for the one that we notice is making connections with those around her at auditions or him at auditions, and just being very keyed into how they're going to be as a representative of the organization, not just on the dance floor.
My advice is just to be persistent. Don't give up. If one opportunity doesn't work out, there's just hopefully something better that's going to come along. I think we probably all experienced that in our lives in one way or another. So my main advice would just be don't give up, but also we're adults, keep training because that's really going to help you.
Go to a prep class or go try out. Even if you're afraid or you're nervous or you're scared to try out for the first time, even if you don't make it the first time, you're gonna feel so much more confident the next time you try out.
How do you improve every round you get?
If you think you're doing it big, you're probably not doing it big enough.
Demand that attention.
Go to class, go to class, go to class. Learn as much choreography as you can.
Mean has so many amazing resources, so I hope that you are taking advantage of them.
You can never let the obstacle or the barrier or the fear or the doubt be bigger than your why and be bigger than your dreams and your goals to move forward. All right, love you guys to death. Have a great rest of your weekend, and if we can, just all unmute to say goodbye to everyone. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Got it.